אנחנו נלמד פרק א' של מסכת ברכות, משנה א', נתחיל משנה א'. ממתי קוראים את שמע בערבית? המשנה רוצה לדעת ממתי אנחנו מתחילים לקרוא שמע בערב. אומרת המשנה, משעה שהכהנים נכנסים לאכול בתרומתן, מן הזמן שכהן שהיה טמא, היה נכנס למקווה, ואחרי שנכנס למקווה הוא היה טהור, והיה מותר לו לאכול את התרומה שלו, האוכל שלו, רק אחרי צאת הכוכבים. אחרי שהכוכבים כבר יצאו, זה נקרא לילה, וזה גם הזמן שמותר להתחיל לקרוא שמע בערב. עכשיו המשנה רוצה לדעת, עד מתי מותר לקרוא קריאת שמע בערב? עד סוף השמורה הראשונה, until the end of the first watch, דברי רבי אליעזר. וחכמים אומרים עד חצות, עד חצי הלילה, מותר לקרוא קריאת שמע של ערב. רבן גמליאל אומר עד שיעלה עמוד השחר. רבן גמליאל אומר שמותר לקרוא קריאת שמע של ערב רק עד עלות השחר, until sunrise. אז נראה פה את הדעות של רבי אליעזר, רבן גמליאל וחכמים. אז אנחנו רואים שפה זה הזמן שמתחילים לקרוא קריאת שמע של ערב, שנקרא צאת הכוכבים. אז אנחנו נכתוב פה צאת. ולפי רבי אליעזר מותר לקרוא קריאת שמע עד סוף השמורה הראשונה, 10 p.m. לפי החכמים מותר להתחיל מ-6 ולקרוא עד חצות לילה. אבל לפי רבן גמליאל יש לו מ-6 עד עמוד השחר, about 5 a.m. עכשיו המשנה רוצה לדעת, המשנה מביאה מעשה, סיפור עם רבן גמליאל, שבאו בניו מבית המשתה, אמרו לו, הבנים שלו אמרו לרבן גמליאל, לא קראנו את שמע, ועכשיו זה מאוחר, ועוד לא אמרנו קריאת שמע של ערב. אמר להם, so he said to them, אם לא עלה עמוד השחר, if the sun hasn't yet risen, it's not yet 5 a.m., חייבים אתם לקרוא, then you have to say קריאת שמע. ולא זו בלבד, not only this, אלא כל מה שמוכחמים עד חצות מצוותן עד שיעלה עמוד השחר. Rather, every single time the chachamim say the time to do the mitzvah is until midnight, mitzvatan, it's mitzvah, meaning the real time you could actually do it is until sunrise. Hekter, so the Mishnah gives us two examples. So here's the first example. Hekter chalavim ve'evarim mitzvatan ad she'yaleh amud hashachar. So, as sreifat chalavim ve'evarim, the burning of the fats, mitzvatan ad she'yaleh amud hashachar, the real time to do it, you're supposed to finish it, the Kohanim were supposed to finish in the Bet HaMikdash by Chatzot, but if they didn't do it, they could do it until Amud HaShachar, until sunrise. And example number 2, and all the korbanot that you could only eat for one day, right? The Chachamim said you should really do it, you should really finish eating it by midnight. Mitzvatan ad she'yaleh amud hashachar, you could finish it if you didn't eat the korbanot, you could still finish eating the korbanot until the morning, until Amud HaShachar. Im ken, so the Mishnah asks, if that's so, lama amru chachamim at chatzot, why the chachamim say you can only do these mitzvot until midnight, if the real time is until 5 a.m. to Amud HaShachar, kedei larchik et adam min avera, to distance a person from avera, because the chachamim knew that people always wait. They wait until the last moment, and if people wait till the last moment, they will sometimes actually miss the chance to do the mitzvah. Mishnah Bet. Meimatai korin et Shema b'shacharit, from when you read it in the morning. Mishiyakir ben tchel lavan, when there's enough light to see the difference between the color of tchelet, which is like an aqua, lelavan, to white. Rabbi Eliezer omer ben tchelet karti. Rabbi Eliezer said there has to be enough light so you could tell the difference between tchelet and green. So once there's enough light, so if you take two items that are, one is tchelet and one is green, and you were to take it outside, if there's enough light outside, then you know to tell the difference between the two, and say, oh, this one's tchelet, oh, this one's karti, then you know it's time to say Kriyat Shema of the morning. V'gomera ada netzachama, and Rabbi Eliezer continues and says that you have to finish saying Kriyat Shema shel boker by sunrise. So he doesn't give you much time. Rabbi Yoshua omer ad shalosh shaot. Rabbi Yoshua says you could say it until the third hour in the morning. So let's say we start at 6 a.m. The third hour would be 9 a.m. Sheken derech b'nei melachim lamod b'shalosh shaot, because that was the way for the princes to wake up 3 hours into the day, and that was the latest time a person will wake up. So that's why you have until shalosh shaot. If a person reads after 9 a.m. from here and on, you didn't lose out, lo yifsid, you didn't lose out completely. But you don't get the mitzvah for reading Shema. Rather, you get the mitzvah ke'adam hakoreh b'Torah, like a person reading from the Torah. Mishnah Gimel. Beit Shammai omrim, Beit Shammai say, ba'erev kol adam yatu v'yikru, every person in the evening should lean and read Shema. Uvaboka yamdu, and in the morning you should stand up and say Shema. Why? Shne'emar, because the pasuk says, "Uvashach b'chav kumecha," when you lie down and when you get up. It could have said in the morning or in the evening and in the morning, but it says "Uvashach b'cha," teaching me that in the evening when you say it, you have to be lying down. Beit Hillel omrim kol adam koreh kedarko. Beit Hillel says every person can read in his own way, meaning any position you want to be in. Shne'emar, because the pasuk says over there in the Devarim, "Uvelechtecha v'derech," when you go on your way. And a person could travel on his way any way he wants, sitting, standing, walking, skipping, jumping. Imken, if that's the case, lama ne'emar v'shach b'chav kumecha. If Beit Hillel don't need the pasuk of v'shach b'chav kumecha to teach us the position you need to be in, because they learned that from uvelechtecha v'derech, so why does it even say it? What do they do with that pasuk? It teaches us the time you have to say Kriyat Shema. So you say Kriyat Shema in the evening when people lie down. You say Kriyat Shema in the morning when people get up. Amar Rabbi Tarfon says, I was once coming on the way, I was traveling, and I lie down to say Kriyat Shema, just like Beit Shammai say, and I put myself in danger because of the thieves on the way. Amrulo, when the Chachamim heard this, they said to him, you deserved to be put to death for what you did. You did the wrong thing. You got what you deserved. Because you went against the words of Beit Hillel and you did like Beit Shammai. Mishnah Dalet. In the morning you say two berachot before Kriyat Shema and one beracha afterwards. In the evening you say two before and two afterwards. Achat aruka v'achat ketzara, and we explained in class that one of these berachot are aruka, some are long and some are short. Long means that it begins with Baruch Atah Hashem and ends with Baruch Atah Hashem. And ketzara is only ends with Baruch Atah Hashem. Makom sha'amru la'arich. So now, when the Chachamim said that you have to say a beracha that begins and ends with Baruch Atah Hashem, Eino rashai lekatzer, you have no permission to shorten it and just say the Baruch Atah Hashem at the end, let's say, without saying it at the beginning. Lekatzer, when the Chachamim said you should just say it with one time saying Baruch Atah Hashem, Eino rashai la'arich, you don't have permission to say the beracha with beginning with Baruch Atah Hashem and ending with Baruch Atah Hashem. Lachtom, to end off certain berachot, is a similar concept. Lachtom is, again, it's to finish a beracha with Baruch Atah Hashem and end it. For example, like Ala Michya or Asher Yatzar, you start off with Baruch Atah Hashem and you end with Baruch Atah Hashem. So when the Chachamim said Lachtom, right, like over here, Eno Rashai Shelo Lachtom, you don't have permission not to end off with Baruch Atah Hashem. For example, like Shehakol. Shehakol is a bracha that you don't have an ending. There's only starts with Baruch Atah Hashem, that's it. V'shelo Lachtom, in situations like Shehakol, where you're not supposed to end off and begin with a beracha, Eno Rashai Lachtom, you don't have permission to start with Baruch Atah Hashem and end. So basically, the message in Mishnah Daled is, do not change whatever the Chachamim said you're supposed to do. If you're supposed to begin and end with Baruch Atah Hashem, you can't just end with it. And if you're supposed to just end with it or just start with it, you cannot add an additional Baruch Atah Hashem. Mishnah He, Mishnah Chorna Baperek. Mazkirin Yetziat Mitzrayim Balelot. We mention Yetziat Mitzrayim at night, meaning, we explained in class, Yetziat Mitzrayim is another way the Mishnah talks about the last paragraph in Shema of Vayomer, right? Because it talks about, at the end of Vayomer, it talks about Yetziat Mitzrayim, so the Mishnah calls it Yetziat Mitzrayim. And we learned that there were opinions that you should not say the final paragraph of Shema in the evening, only during the day, because it talks about tzitzit as well. And tzitzit, we know that you only have to wear during the day, because the pasuk says, Uri'item oto, you should see them, and you could see only during the day and not at night. So the Mishnah says, Mazkirin Yetziat Mitzrayim Balelo. We do say Vayomer at night. Amar Rabbi Elazar ben Azariah, Rabbi Elazar ben Azariah says, Ahare ani keven 70 shana, I'm 70 years old, v'lo zachiti shetem Yetziat Mitzrayim Balelot. And I never understood why we say Yetziat Mitzrayim at night, meaning why we say Vayomer at night. Because it talks about tzitzit, and tzitzit you don't do at night. So why are we saying Vayomer at night? Ad shedarasha ben Zoma, until one day a rabbi by the name of Ben Zoma came along and explained. Shnei Amar, because the pasuk says in Devarim, in order that you should remember the day you left Mitzrayim. When we say left Mitzrayim, we're talking about Vayomer. And then, so it says, you should say Vayomer, you should remember to say Vayomer, that's Tzetecha Meretz Mitzrayim. Then the pasuk ends off with these three words, Kol Yemei Chayecha. And we're going to focus on these three words. Because if you take a look, all the days of your life, really, if the Torah just want to say all your life, so just say Kol Chayecha and don't say Yemei. Or they could have said the days of your life without saying Kol. That also means your entire life. So why do we have both? So the answer is Yemei Chayecha. It says the days of your life. That teaches you that you have to say Vayomer Hayamim during the day. Kol Yemei Chayecha. All the days in Halilot includes the night. So it teaches us that you have to say Vayomer, which is Yetziat Mitzrayim, even at night. Chachamim Omrim Yemei Chayecha teaches us something else. Yemei Chayecha in the pasuk teaches us you say Shema Olam Hazeh, in this world before Mashiach comes, and Kol Yemei Chayecha, this extra word of Kol teaches us Lavi Lemot Mashiach, that even when Mashiach comes, even though there will be miracles even greater than Yetziat Mitzrayim, still we're going to mention Kriyat Shema. We're going to still talk about how Hashem took us out of Mitzrayim, even after Mashiach has already come, and we would have witnessed miracles even greater than Yetziat Mitzrayim.